Make a great choice today with 2021 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, dual exhaust, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.